Yeah, I'm in the garage today. Bought these LED amber lights. MZS Tuning. I wanted to give you a comparison. I just stuck one in. That's the right side of the bike. That's the left side. There's a big difference. That's the right. That's the left. This is stock. This is the new bulb. Let's see what they look like inside of there. Pretty cool stuff. We got them both in now. Sort of covered up the headlight to try to get a visual on this. See how bright they are. You can see how, oh man, how they're definitely so much brighter. Wow, I like that a lot. So, I hope this helps. Enjoy and ride safe.